How to fix McDonald's app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your connectivity. Launch any app that runs with internet other than McDonald's and check if the app works or not. If you found the issue in that app as well, you can restart your router or you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Likewise, you can apply these solutions. You have to update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your app store, search for the app McDonald's. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings, scroll down, head towards the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage, scroll down. Now over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app McDonald's. Once you find it, launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards very last solution, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on McDonald's app. Different options will pop up. Click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. You have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your app store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix McDonald's app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.